Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to turn off online status on Facebook Messenger. So let's see. But before we dive into this tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Messenger app. So I'm going to click on here, just like so. Having opened up your Messenger app, next thing you can do is to simply click on this three slider from the top. And the next thing you can do is to simply click on this setting icon. And the next thing you can do is to simply come to active status. And the next thing you can do is to simply disable this. So for you to do that, just turn off this. And then right here, you can pause for 1 hour, 8 hour, or until 8 p.m. or whatsoever. Or better still, you can choose a custom off as the case may be. So what I'm going to do here is to simply choose until I change it. So I'm going to simply click on pause right here. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to turn off your online status on Facebook Messenger. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.